Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. In this video, we are going to look at the DGET function of Excel, a wonderful alternative to the ever-popular VLOOKUP. Now, there are a few alternative functions to VLOOKUP. The combination of index and match definitely be in the next most popular functions. In this video, we're going to look at why DGET is so useful and such a wonderful alternative. The DGET function really flies under the radar and you never hear anybody talk about it. I certainly don't on my training, but hopefully by the end of this video we will have an appreciation of what it can do. In our table here, we have a table on the left side. There's some orders, regions, representatives, items, and unit costs and totals. In our table, we have one unique item that was sold. It's called PC, and we're trying to find it. And we are interested to find the totals for that PC. So since we're looking for an item, in this case, we can use the VLOOKUP, because VLOOKUPs always look for very left column. So under total, just equal sign, bring up our DGET, our table, Control A, so we have our table as our database. It's that range. The field number that is supposed to be returned to us or extracted from a database in this case would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th column, which is the total. I can put 7 in here, or I can use the header in this case, which is the total field right here. And this header must match my table header, otherwise it's not going to work. I would rather use header. It's easier for understanding my formula. And what is the criteria? The criteria is what I'm typing under the item. So this is the range that I'm looking for. Pressing F4 for that one. Okay. Let's get rid of the F4 on this one for copying purposes in future. Okay. Now, the answer is okay. When it gives you a num, that means it does not find anything, obviously, because we did not put anything under the criteria of item yet. If I type in PC, immediately it finds the total. Now the beauty of this one is now I can click and drag this and it finds my records, the rest of the other ones. I can copy this one and it finds my other complete record. If I go back, this is actually my PC area, which matches this. Obviously, your date has to change to it. You have to format your date to a date field, and that will match is the same thing. Another added feature to DGET is you're not limited to only one item to search for. You can have multiple items in this search criteria. And that is the biggest added functionality to DGET. Let's say I'm looking for an item called pencil, and I like to get only pencil that is sold by Thomson in West. So my representative is Thomson, and region is West. Okay, and I like to get the total for that one. So I will set equal to be Again, my DGET function, my database, same, Control A. The field that I'm interested to retrieve is my total. The criteria for that one is these three. That's my criteria. Click OK, and the answer comes out as 63, 68. If I just bring up my functions again, and for my criteria, have them as F4, F4. I can copy this and get the rest of the data. I'm looking at West Thompson. In this case, would be 522. There it is. West Thompson pencil. The unit's 32, unit cost 199, and total is 63.68. One single search based on multiple criteria. I could have used order date also in this formula. So it's up to you what you want to search on. Hopefully this helps you understand DGET function.